In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any image move in Canva. If you want to bring a still photo to life for social posts, presentations, or quick motion graphics, this is a simple workflow you can follow from start to finish. First, open your design. From the Canva homepage, head to Projects or Recent Designs and click the design that already contains the image you want to animate. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar at the top and look for the file name or keywords you remember. Opening the correct design ensures you're working on the exact canvas and layout you planned. Next, select the image. Click directly on the image in your design. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. If there are overlapping elements, click once to select and, if needed, click again to make sure you've targeted the right layer. This step is important because the animation you apply will affect whichever element is currently selected. Now, apply the animation. Look at the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel, where you can choose a style like pan, rise, or tumble. Pan creates a smooth slide, rise gives a gentle upward lift, and tumble adds a playful spin as the image enters. Hover over each option to preview how it looks before you commit. Pick the one that matches the mood of your design. If you want to fine-tune the motion, adjust the timing. Click Timing or Duration, and set how fast or slow the animation should play. Shorter durations feel snappier and energetic. Longer durations feel smoother and more relaxed. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how natural the movement feels. Preview your animation to make sure everything looks right. Click play in the top right corner to watch it from the viewer's perspective. Pay attention to how the movement starts and ends, and whether it complements your layout. If something feels off, stop the preview, tweak the animation style or timing, and test again until you're happy. When you're ready to share, download your animated design. Click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video as the file type. MP4 preserves motion and plays nicely across social platforms and presentations. Confirm the pages you want to export, adjust any quality settings if needed, then click Download and let Canva process your video. That's it. You've turned a static image into a smooth, eye-catching animation in just a few clicks.